Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Pinterest account on iPhone. So after you download the app, what you're going to do, you're going to just open up your Pinterest. And as you can see, this is my Pinterest and I'm going through all these posts. Now what I'm going to do, if I wanted to delete my account, click on your saved or profile at the bottom right corner, and you're going to see your profile icon at the top left. And what you're going to do next, you're going to see right here, this is your account tool. Go ahead and click account management, the first one. You're going to see deactivation and deletion, the last section, and you're going to be able to see delete your data in account. Move along to on-screen instructions, and basically if you're ready to leave there forever, they will send you an email with the final step to your email, so they can confirm that this is you who initiating that step to delete your account. And basically after you follow along the email, basically your account will be deleted permanently, and you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All of your Pinterest account data will be deleted. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.